Welcome my dear friends. In this video, you'll get total overview of founders residual income. Also, you'll get information about types of income, residual income with examples and on passive. My dear friends, types of income. There are mainly three types of income. Active income, the most basic form of income stream. It's the income that we get in exchange of our time and efforts, like salary from our job, money from profession, like doctors, engineers, some of the professional engineers, architects, lawyers, barber, etc. My dear friend, there is a portfolio income. Portfolio income comes from investments such as dividends, interest, royalties, and capital gains. Now, other form of income, passive income, most desirable income, my dear friend. Passive income is money earned from a rental property. If you are having houses or property, you can rent it, limited partnership or other business in which you are not actively involved. My dear friend, what is the residual income? Residual income is income that one continues to receive after the completion of the income producing work. My dear friend, initially you have to do some work with some investment and you will get the benefit. Residual income is regularly referred to as passive income for individuals or businesses. My dear friend, monthly residual income is calculated based on your monthly income minus monthly expenses. So whatever is coming balance, that is your residual income. Now about on passive income producing work by on passive. So there is a product development, soft launch or semi launch, hard launch or public launch, and there is a investment. This is a mega IT project. There is a huge investment, and this investment is done by our CEO, Mr. Ash Mubare and family. Also, there is a work of pre-building customer base. Whatever founders are there, after hard launch, they will be converted as a customer. But they will be founders throughout their life, my dear friend, and they will get the benefits. There is also marketing campaign we will undertake for the growth of the business and development of the business. My dear friend, what founders are doing in this income producing work? My dear friend, there are two types of founder. All founders are same, because company wise whatever this platform is there, their founders need not do any work, they need not sell, they need not develop team, no selling, nothing. So one kind of founders, they are totally passive. What they have done, they have taken the foundership and waiting patiently so that on passive is launched. My dear friend, everybody's income will start once all on passive launch, and actual income come from the sale made by the digital products. So that is a one payment, $102.97 plus 5, and there will be another payment in hard launch period, that will be informed to every founder, that is $250 approximately, plus minus $50. My dear friend, so patience is the key. Some founders, they are waiting for 3 years, some founders 2 years, some founder 1 year, some founder 1 month. Now on passive is in very advanced stage. Pre-launch is, product development is almost over, integration is going on. Many products will be launched during the month of October, semi-launch and public launch. It will come. For this, preparation is going on. Some of the founders are active, they are doing voluntary service, they are not paid from the company, they are doing voluntarily, they are conducting webinar, they are in the process of development of the on passive as a company, and it is growing, and they have done the excellent job. For this, many founders, active founders, will be rewarded. My dear friend, residual income on passive case, money for all. After hard launch, all founders will have the income opportunity through the platform Catmo. I will not explain in details. Catmo, there are other videos, you can see that, watch that video, you will get total understanding. Founders income will come from the website. There is a smart pay plan. It is a unique design by On Passive that will be revealed just before hard launch. During soft launch, some of the founders will be able to add founders, so they will be rewarded, they will get the bonus, one-time bonus. My dear friend, for your information, doors for founder position will get closed on hard launch, and there will be no founder position. My dear friend, now I will explain residual income. Example, let's say month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Income, let us say first month it is coming $500. Your expense, let us say $250. That is your first month subscription. So 500 minus 250 is your residual income. In Indian rupees, it is 18,750. Let's say next month your income is $600 minus 250, because 250 every month you have to pay. I will explain in the next slide how it will be paid. 250, so 350 is the residual income. In Indian rupees, 26,250. Let's say next month your income is 750 minus 250 is 500, 37,500 rupees. Next month, let us say 700 rupees, $700, expense is 250, so $450, equivalent to 33,750. Let us say next month $1,000 income minus 250, $750 residual, equivalent to 56,250. My dear friend, this is an example. This amount will vary. My dear friend, founder's income, residual income on passive, founder business, it is a self-funding business. My dear friend, founders have to pay only one-time product cost or subscription. That is $250 or $300 or $200, that will be fixed by the company. Next month subscription will come from business itself, from the product sale, from your website. This is a unique business model designed for the benefit of founders, my dear friend, so that we can lift humanity. Founders' income will vary from month to month. There is a massive income potential for founders which may increase month after month, year after year, and for generation, my dear friend. Internet business, there is a huge potential, my dear friend. I have uploaded videos on this, you can watch those videos. My dear friend, This is the educational video. You have to take your own decision, and decision is the key, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks, my dear friend.